Hey tenement yard peeps, I me alone still can't believe Vybz Kartel is out of prison. Yeah, happy fame. But let's talk. Because I realize there's something that go on and other people probably not pick it up. And me mix up already. Me a woman, me mix up bad. So before me get into it, like up this video, and subscribe. Okay? Anyways, I realized the Vybz Kartel and Nicki Minaj, they usually support each other. While Vybz Kartel was incarcerated, Nicki was always rooting for him, always manifesting that, he's gonna be freed, and she hopes that he'll be freed. Now that Vybz Kartel is freed, he's a free man, right? I realized some little petty behavior, from Nicki Minaj. I realize Vybz Kartel kind of be, a little petty as well. No, this all started because, Vybz Kartel and Cardi B, they've also been supporting each other. Because Cardi B is a Jamaican fan. She's a dancehall fan. She loves Vybz Kartel and she loves Spice. Nicki Minaj, she realized, Vybz Kartel probably I give too much standing ovation to Cardi B. Cardi B even mentioned, she was going to visit Vybz Kartel and the concert that he had recently at the Barclays Center in New York. And Cardi B said something so weird, and I was like, girl, you are so messy. She was like, oh, she has never seen so much crowd at the Barclays Center before. I'm like, girl. Nicki Minaj performed at the Barclays Center before, and Nicki's crowd is so huge as well. So you're basically saying, oh, Vybz Kartel is, a bigger star compared to Nicki Minaj in the US. And the US is Nicki's country. Anyways, Vybz Kartel did a Drink Champs interview, and he basically said it. Cardi B is one of his favorite female rappers, and so is Lil Kim. I can't recall he mentioned Nicki's name, to be honest. And he was basically bragging that he wants Cardi B to perform at his wedding with, he's literally engaged to them, and he wants Cardi B to perform at the wedding of all female rappers. I thought he had a close relationship with Nicki musically. So I'm kind of shocked he's now taking on Cardi B as his favorite. So I think Nicki isn't jealous, but she feels like unappreciated. She was like, what? Like, what happened to Nicki? Just touched on with Nicki. To me, I think everybody thinks, okay, Nicki's in her 40s and she's washed up. I don't appreciate that. And I think Kartel is probably not going to clear it up. But here's what Nicki did. Nicki took to her Instagram page and then she started to post Alkaline. I was like, yeah, Nicki, Nicki, you're too bad. Nicki is so petty. She started to post Alkaline is music. Not only that, the girl follow Alkaline. Nicki start follow Alkaline. No, tell me no. Isn't there something going on? And people will say Nicki is so jealous, but I don't think it's jealousy. I think when you're not appreciated, y'all got always throw back words. Y'all got always throw back the same energy. Do I blame Nicki? No. Because where Cardi B come from. But let me hear one have to say in the comment section. Subscribe to this video, like this video, and see you guys some other time. Bye.